In this video, let's take a look at weekly portfolio, the short-term equity investment journey with modern ways of stock selection through our algorithmically driven methodology. This will help you maximize returns by investing into the outperforming stocks. You can select an individual stock and click on Trade. Then you will be shown the order summary, wherein you can also edit the quantity. Upon clicking Place Order, your order will be executed. Alternatively, if you want to automatically trade in all the daily stock picks, you can just enter the amount per stock pick and click on Trade All Stocks. This will automatically execute the orders to market. To check the status of the stocks executed, you can view it under Trader Dashboard. Also in the table below, you can view the last week's stock picks performance.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.